Guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the FC Mobile 2024. So as you can see, guys, I got a ton of money. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. No jailbreak needed. So keep watching the video. This works on iOS and Android. It does not require any computers, APK files. It's fully updated, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's get right into the video. This is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Alright guys, so as you can see in the FC Mobile 2024, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it, so let's get right into the video. So what you want to do, guys, is go to the ZooMod site. The site has tons of mods for apps and games, right? So once you're on this site, just go to the search bar and type in FC Mobile 2024. So as you can see, guys, it says FC Mobile 2024 mods. Just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, this is super cool, guys. It fully works, and yeah, it's super insane, guys. I don't know who came up with this, but it's actually updated. So yeah, this is pretty crazy. I didn't have to jailbreak or anything like that, which is awesome. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super cool. So if you need to get money in this game, be sure to go ahead and try this out. It's super insane, guys. It actually works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe. This is super awesome. I didn't have to jailbreak or anything like that, which is pretty cool. So yeah, if you need it, then you need it, and I'm here to give it to you. So be sure to try this out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe, gang. Subscribe. This is super awesome. And I got so rich from this. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to get the word out. Some more people are like educated and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty cool. Pretty wild and wet, you know. That's how we do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to try it out for yourself and see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, fully working version. So yeah, see you guys later and peace out.